Universal Stella Nova Resort is the first of 3 new hotels opening as part of the Epic Universe expansion here in Orlando. I'm Darren from OrlandoParkSky.com, and I had a chance to experience everything at this new hotel. Here's how it went. And be sure to stay tuned to the end. I reveal a little secret about this resort. Upon arriving at Stella Nova, I drove past Epic Universe. I was surprised to see how close this hotel is to the park, and I was able to see inside the park from my room, but more on that coming up. By the way, overnight parking is $30 per night. This adds up. 3 nights is nearly $100. This just feels like a pure money grab from Universal. The hotel's design draws inspiration from the vast and breathtaking wonders of outer space, and that theme is evident throughout the entire property, starting with the exterior. Its facade is covered in more than 140,000 colorful iridescent tiles that shift in color depending on the time of day. When I arrived around noon, they reflected deep shades of blues and purples. By nighttime, the tiles absorb any light whatsoever, completely blacking out the entire hotel except for the illuminated constellations on the side of the building. It's a very cool effect. The lobby has a mid-century modern, spacey vibe. It reminded me a lot of the TWA Hotel in New York, with its round walls and signage that is straight out of the Jetsons. Inside the all-white lobby are stunning space-themed murals that are based on actual NASA photographs. The cosmic ambiance continues throughout the hotel with more mid-century seating, the check-in desk minus any signage or velvet ropes, and a vacation planning desk where you'll pick up your theme park tickets. You can also get help with the Universal mobile app here, and you can make dining reservations here as well. If you need to rent a car, there's an Avis rental car desk here in the lobby. I love this about Universal hotels. This is very convenient if you want to visit another Orlando attraction or even Grandma and Grandpa. There's a Universal Studios gift shop to the right of the rental car desk that's loaded with Epic Universe and Nintendo merch. I like buying my souvenirs at the hotel so I don't have to carry them around the parks. Stella Nova does offer a complimentary package delivery service of merchandise purchased at Universal Orlando theme parks. Just keep in mind that if you are to use this service, your package will arrive the following day. The Nova Bar serves up space-themed drinks, the kind that smoke and bubble. During my stay, it was always busy at night. People really enjoyed watching the drinks come out. Classic beverages are also available. On the opposite side of the lobby, there are 2 cafes, one grab-and-go that also has handcrafted Starbucks coffees, fruit cup sandwiches, and personal pizzas. The pizza was just awful, even for Florida, and it was much smaller than I expected given the size of the box it came in. There's a quick service restaurant, the Cosmos Cafe, again straight out of the Jetsons, which offers standard burgers, paninis, fried chicken, and pasta. The Cosmos Cafe is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's conveniently located near the pool. And speaking of the pool, Stella Nova has a terrific complex, far exceeding my expectations for a value hotel. While there is no water slide, it has a large lagoon-style pool, an extra-large whirlpool, and plenty of loungers. There's also a splash pad for kids and poolside games. Just off the pool, you'll find a beautiful and well-equipped fitness center and a small arcade room. Stella Nova, along with Universal's Terra Luna Hotel and Helios Grand Hotel, is located about 3 miles from the rest of Universal Orlando, but guests can take advantage of a complimentary shuttle service connecting Epic Universe and its hotels to the rest of Universal Orlando Resort. I had a chance to ride a Universal Orlando bus on the new dedicated busway that connects Universal's main campus with the Epic Universe area hotels. The busway is 1.7 miles long. It took me about 15 minutes to travel between Stella Nova and City Walk, which wasn't bad at all. There is a lot of traffic in Orlando, so being able to bypass most of it is a great perk. Buses go to the City Walk Transportation Center, located just outside the entrance of Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios. There was always a bus waiting for us on both sides, at the hotel and at the Transportation Center, so there was no waiting around for a bus to arrive. For those arriving via Orlando International Airport, or MCO, Stella Nova Resort is about a 20-minute drive away. Universal offers a paid shuttle service called Superstar Shuttle, though visitors can also opt for ride-sharing services or a rental car for transportation. Superstar Shuttle is $23 per person each way and $18 for children each way. There is a discount if you purchase a round-trip ticket. This is very similar to the old Magical Express service that Disney World used to provide. Pricing for Stella Nova hovers between $140 and $240 per night. All rooms are the same. They have 2 queen beds. The only cost difference is the view. Pool view rooms cost the most. I had a pool view room and a standard view. I preferred the standard view because it overlooked the theme park, but I'm a theme park fan, so this is perfect for me. At Disney, a theme park view room is often the most expensive category you can book. The rooms at Stella Nova Resort carry the same vibrant color scheme as the hotel's public areas, creating a cohesive and immersive atmosphere. Space-inspired artwork adorns the walls, adding a sense of adventure and wonder. A striking galactic mural serves as the backdrop behind the beds, while orange accent pillows provide a pop of warmth against the sleek modern furnishings. The furniture features smooth, curved designs, contributing to the resort's futuristic aesthetic. Thoughtful details come together to create a stylish and playful environment that perfectly complements the hotel's cosmic theme. The beds at Stella Nova are soft and comfortable. They come with a lightweight coverlet, which, while thinner than a traditional comforter, is a cozy yet breathable sleeping experience. Bed linens were far better than I would expect for a value hotel, and there were several layers. There are plenty of lighting options in the room. If there's one thing I hate about hotels, it's a dark room or lights with those blue LED bulbs. Stella Nova has plenty of soft, warm light. I especially like the cove lighting and the illuminated mirror in the bathroom. But the main lights are controlled by motion sensors in the room. If there's no motion, the lights will turn off. There are manual overrides, however. But in my room, the lights in the shower would shut off too quickly, so I was in a pitch black shower waving my arms around to get the lights to turn back on. Either I take really long showers or the sensor needs to be adjusted. The vanity area is separated by a glass wall and a retractable curtain, allowing for additional privacy from the rest of the room. The shower and toilet are quite spacious, much larger than Disney's value and moderate resorts. This split bath setup allows multiple people to get ready at the same time. The exclusive Cosmic Ember bath products had a refreshing scent, and I appreciated the thoughtful branding that extended even to the shampoo, conditioner, and soap, enhancing the resort's overall immersive theme. In addition to the signature toiletries, guest rooms come with a range of convenient amenities, including a coffee and tea maker, a mini fridge, hair dryer, and iron. Standard Wi-Fi is provided for free and is very fast. Premium Wi-Fi is offered for $9.95 per day. Air conditioning in the room is sufficient and provides a lot of white noise. Some people might find it too loud. And speaking of loud, the walls are paper thin. I was able to hear my neighbors talking clear as day. It was like we were staying in the same room. The white noise cancels that out as long as the AC unit is running. As a guest at Stella Nova, I got to enjoy exclusive perks that are available only to those staying at Universal Orlando hotels. One of the biggest benefits is early park admission, which gives hotel guests a head start before the general public. The specific parks and attractions available for early entry vary by day, but generally you get a 30-minute early access to Volcano Bay and a full hour to either Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure. Perfect for getting on those popular rides with shorter wait times. Beyond early park access, staying at Stella Nova also came with other convenient perks. Even though I had my own car, I found the shuttle to be the best option because of the busway. Keep in mind that Universal does not offer free parking at the theme parks, not even to hotel guests. One feature I'm really excited about is the walking path that will connect Stella Nova and its sister hotel Terra Luna directly to Epic Universe when the park opens in May of 2025. It's about a 10-minute walk, but it will not be shaded. This will be like walking on the surface of the sun during the months of June, July, and August. Fortunately, a shuttle bus will also be available. Now, as promised, there's a little secret about Stella Nova hiding in plain sight on the 3rd floor. When you get off the elevator, turn right and you'll discover the Star Tunnel. This is perfect for taking a few Instagram photos, and kids will love walking through it. Tell them there's a surprise on the 3rd floor and let them discover it. They'll love it. Thanks for watching my tour of Stella Nova Resort. Overall, this is a great hotel, one of the best value-priced hotels in the Orlando theme parks. Let me know what questions you have in the comments. I'll be following along. And now, here comes another one of my videos that has been picked just for you.